today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Parmesan chicken wings. These are washed already. Wash them, put some vinegar over it, and I'm going to cut them like this, give them a bit of core like this. And this can be a lovely snack for you while you're watching movie, or you going camping. It's going to be very easy, tasty, and delicious. So go ahead, give them a core like this. Okay. For a season here, I have some all-purpose, which I blend up myself. A bit of chili pepper, coriander, a bit of baking powder, black pepper. Just mix them all in. Salt, and in this also there's some ground garlic, some ground ginger also. So you have it there. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you over to the next side. Over here we have some lovely oil. Just go ahead, put them in. It's as simple as this, guys. You can bake them if you want. We're just going to give them a turn. What goes on the side is just the herbs and the spice burning off. So while the chicken keep on cooking over there, I'm going to get some fresh Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to grate for it. What I'm going to do here, I have some spring onion. I'm going to slightly cut them to an angle. And this is just to help garnish my chicken wings. So the wings is ready. Just gonna go ahead, pop it in the bowl. So in here, I have some bit of jerk sauce, which I made up. So I had a bit of jerk sauce over this. Some Parmesan cheese. Spring onion. Just get your plate. It's finished off. A bit more Parmesan. And there you have it, guys. Lovely, delicious Parmesan chicken wings.